Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix screen blinking on Android. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Screen blinking on Android device can be caused by various factors, and resolving the issue may depend on the specific cause. And here are some general steps you can try to fix screen blinking on your Android device. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Power off your device, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Check for software updates. Ensure that your device's operating system and apps are up to date. To make sure it is updated, go to Settings, Software Update. Just follow the prompts to install any available updates. Adjust screen brightness. Screen flickering might be related to brightness settings. Go to Settings, Display, Brightness, and adjust the brightness slider to see if it resolves the issue. Update or uninstall apps. If the issue started after installing a specific app, try updating or installing that app. Problematic apps can sometimes cause display issues. Check for malware. Install and run a reputable antivirus or anti-malware app or on your built-in device to scan your device for any potential threats. Factory reset. If other solutions don't work, you might consider a factory reset. This will erase all data on your device, so ensure that you have it back up before proceeding. To do this, go to Settings, General Management, Reset, then hit on Factory Data Reset. Contact manufacturer support if the problem persists, especially if it's a hardware issue. Contact the device manufacturer's customer support for further assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.